Hey guys, what's up? It's Coily here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today is another video, me doing my hair. This unit you guys probably saw in the previous video, which is the HerGivenHair Kinky Straight Blowout unit, and today I'm trying something a little different. So I've been wearing this for a while. I've been rocking this style for like weeks and weeks, and I've been interested in trying a U part that is actually like naturally curly, so then I don't have to stretch my hair. I don't know how it's gonna blend because this part of my hair has been like heat damaged at this point, and if you want to be in denial, let's call it heat trained. And I don't know how it's gonna blend with curly hair, so I did get a texture that is a bit looser than the rest of my hair because this part of my hair naturally is earlier in the threes, I would say. Surprisingly, like it's very loose up here, and it doesn't really fully curl anyways. You guys will see like my roots are still curly and then the ends are basically straight, so I'm gonna have to like finger coil them together. We're gonna take out this blowout straight U part. We are going to try a new U part unit. So this is also from HerGivenHair. I really needed to update my U part wigs because the other ones were getting stale, and I've been really wanting to try a curly U part because it's about time. It's about time we tried to blend my natural hair with these. I saw Mini Marley on YouTube do a U part wig with curly hair, and I was like, I need to try. She looks good. I need to try. And this is a multi-textured unit. This is a multi-textured unit, so it has two different types of curls in here, so you can see the natural effect of this. It's in jet black. It has tighter curls, looser curls. If you go to the back here, you guys can see like there's a bit like there's just different textures. It's so beautiful, and I love their multi-texture units because that's what makes it look more natural. Natural hair on your head has different textures all the time, so that's what I love about this. You can see that it has like defined curls, and there's like tighter, frizzier curls in there, and it's just perfection. I hate when I get a wig and it looks too uniform because it's like, that's not realistic, you know? So this is what it looks like. I'm going to style it as if I were styling my own hair. We're gonna try to blend this all together, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's take this unit out. Ooh. So if you haven't seen my previous video, make sure you check it out because this is my new go-to. I'm obsessed with it. And then let's try this new one. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to continue to leave out this much leave out. It's very small. The rest of my hair is just in 4 braids. So you can do cornrows back, you can do twists. This is just what I did after I washed it, and it's just super easy. It stays flat and it stays under my wig nicely, so it's just easier to do it this way. All I'm gonna do is tie this into a ponytail so it's nice and low and stays at the bottom of my U part so it doesn't slide up and create like a bump in the middle of my head. And then I still like to put on a wig cap on top of it just so then it stays protected and that the wig isn't rubbing up on it. And then I just pull it back away from this. I cover as much as I can. Better than nothing, right? Let's see how this hair reverts. Okay, so this actually has a little bit of conditioner in it. I'm gonna have to use a lot of water. Okay, it's coming through. My roots are fine. It's just the ends that are like, boop. Everything else is pretty good. This is pretty normal for up here, surprisingly. If you look back at my videos, this part of my hair just lives in its own universe. So let's just leave that alone for a second, and let's grab the unit and see how we can blend it all together. Before I attach the unit, I'm just going to adjust the inside so it has this to attach at the back, and then we are also going to adjust this. I like to bring them to the middle just to tighten it. I feel like that's the perfect tightness for my head. So I'm just going to hook here and just tightens it a little bit, and then I take this part and I flip it onto my head. Pull this, and then we pull this back. Uh-oh. And then we adjust. It will get there. I know it looks crazy, but we will get there. Now we're going to wet the whole unit and start blending. Right now that my hair is pretty wet, I like to add in some product, and what I'm using is actually the Aussie Mega Moist 3-minute deep conditioner. Yes, it is a deep conditioner, and I actually use this in my curly wigs and in my natural hair watered down. So I mix it with a little bit of water, I put in my spray bottle, or I mix it in my hand with some water, and then I rake it through my hair. And then on top of that, I add my wet line gel. So this is the gel that I use to define my curls, so of course I'm using it in this U part as well. And then I'm combining my curls with the U part and then finger coiling them together with the wet line gel. So this is going to help define it and also stick my hair together with the U part, so then it's like more uniform, more blended, and you just won't see anything. So those are the two products I use. I make sure I use a lot of water. I use the Aussie Mega Moist 3-minute deep conditioner in moderation mixed with water, and then I add wet line gel on top of that. So now my hair is nice and defined and smooth, and let's dry it and see how it looks. As I'm drying it, if I see that there's patches that need more product, that might be frizzier, I just go in and I finger coil a little bit of product in there, and then that's it. And now I'm just cutting, freestyling, and shaping my hair to kind of mimic my own hair shape, which is more like a heart shape. So yeah, I'm just cutting whatever I need to. No one hired me to cut your hair because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, what is this? It ended up looking great, but man, that was wild. So yeah, we just diffuse and diffuse and diffuse and scrunch, and it's looking amazing. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is crazy. Do you guys see this? Okay, yeah, this is done. The last time I washed my hair, it did not look like this, so I must have damaged it like yesterday, but it's okay. It'll grow back. Oh my goodness. What? Get into this. Okay, so I feel like it's safe to say that this is probably one of the best installs I have ever had. I have really struggled to find a curly U part because I can never find anything that blends well with this. And I don't know if it's the fact that this part has loosened up because of the heat, or it's the fact that this texture is just perfect. I think it's a little bit of both, because even if my hair wasn't heat damaged, I probably would have blended even better. But with a little bit of a looser curl, this is perfect. And also they have a coilier one, so if your hair is coilier, you can obviously blend that too. And this is perfect because I don't have to mix the rest of my hair, which might not match. So natural, I love it. So I think it's safe to say that this is bomb. This looks really, really good. I'll probably like fluff it out a little bit more, blow dry it a little bit more, make it even bigger, so it looks even more natural, because the bigger it gets, the better it seems to look. Like this combo of coily and curly is actually giving me life. Oh my goodness. Who am I? Let's do a little close-up. We are getting coily, we are getting curly, we are getting blend. So of course this is mixing with my hair, mixing here. Like, mix where? Forget these pieces, but like look at all this part of my hair that's just seamlessly blending, but this part is also not damaged, so that's why it's blending a bit better. But these pieces obviously look a little bit more straggly, but overall this is wild. Wow, I can't get over it. But anyways, you guys can see the perfection. You guys can see how great it looks. Like, this is really, anyways, I don't want to talk too much. You guys can see how great it looks. You guys can see the blend. You can see the naturalness of this unit. The more I fluff, the prettier it gets. Adding layers into it definitely helps. I think I could even add more just to frame my face right here, honestly. Like, we could just snip a little bit, snip a little bit, and it'll look even more natural. I have to give props to HerGivenHair for doing it again. This is going to be my little birthday hair. I'm going on a trip, so I'm going to be wearing this for the next couple weeks because it's so easy. You literally can just throw this on and go. I can take a couple perm rods and curl these pieces even better if I need to. I will leave all the details down below so you guys can check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. It's been a while since I've worn my hair like curly. Of course, this is with a little bit of help, but this is much better than doing clip-ins in my opinion because it's faster and I don't have to have a bunch of things in my head, and it looks so good. So let me know let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, thumbs up, and of course check out this unit if you haven't, and stay tuned on my Instagram to see how I style it and continue to rock it. And yeah, I'm so obsessed. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. Wig wear, wig wear. And the drier it gets, the more natural it looks, the better this looks. Perfection. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.